This tutorial shows you how to recover your chat history from a backup on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Following that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on Chats to access chat settings. Tap on Chat Backup to check your backup status. Moving forward, make sure you have a recent backup available. Check the date and time of your last backup. If there's no recent backup, tap on Backup to create one now. Afterwards, once you've confirmed your backup exists, close WhatsApp. Long press on the WhatsApp app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Info or I button to open App Info. Tap on Uninstall to remove WhatsApp from your device. Confirm by tapping OK or Uninstall again. WhatsApp is now removed from your phone. Now open the Google Play Store on your device. Search for WhatsApp Messenger in the search bar. Tap on Install to download and reinstall WhatsApp. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open WhatsApp. Tap on Agree and continue to accept the terms. Enter your phone number and tap Next. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. WhatsApp will detect your backup automatically. A message will appear saying Backup Found. Tap on Restore to recover your chat history. Wait for the restoration process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the backup size. Once done, tap Next to proceed. Your WhatsApp messages, photos, and videos are now fully restored. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you restore WhatsApp messages on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.